Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. We are at the Al-Qalam marquee right now, and the Al-Qalam project is a very blessed project which aims to create a unique copy of the Holy Quran in which each verse has been written by a different person of the society, and men, women, Muslims, non-Muslim, everybody is invited to take part. And by the grace of Allah, the first copy was also already completed last year, and which is also displayed here. And in addition to that, you can see the first chapter of the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Fatiha, that was written by Huzaynwar Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz very graciously. And this shows the importance of the project when the Khalifatul Masih Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz has taken part in this project. Many people are now interested also to take part in this blessed project, and everyone is invited to come along. And if she hasn't written a verse from the Holy Quran till now, so he and she has got the opportunity to come and write a verse from the Holy Quran. And yes.